English to Hindi hotel phrases.
आरक्षण, कमरा,
And easy check in Hindi. Welcome to the Sleepy Hotel. Hey, you are about to check into a hotel in Hindi, and nobody will accidentally book you into the broom closet. Let's make these phrases stick with a little story and a lot of confidence. It is late. Your suitcase squeaks like a dramatic mouse. You walk into a hotel lobby, trying to look like a world traveler and not like someone who has eaten airport snacks for dinner 3 times. You smile at the receptionist and say,
मेरे पास एक आरक्षण हो.
That means, I have a reservation. If you do not have one, your face may say panic, but today your mouth says power. Then, if you need a room, you can say,
मुझे एक कमरा चाहिए.
I would like a room. Congratulations. You now sound much more organized than the average tired traveler. Your core phrases today. Now you will hear the key phrases clearly and simply. Say them aloud with me, even if your cat starts judging your pronunciation. I have a reservation. In Hindi.
मेरे पास एक आरक्षण हो.
I would like a room. In Hindi.
मुझे एक कमरा चाहिए.
A single room, please. In Hindi.
एक सिंगल रूम, कृपया.
A double room, please. In Hindi.
एक डबल कमरा, कृपया.
For how many nights? In Hindi.
कितनी रातों के लिए?
Mini check in comedy. Let's turn the phrases into a tiny hotel scene. Imagine you are tired, polite, and determined to sleep somewhere better than a train station bench. Receptionist. Welcome. You.
मेरे पास एक आरक्षण हो.
Receptionist. Very good. You suddenly remember your friend might still be coming, your plans are unclear, and your brain is buffering. You.
मुझे एक कमरा चाहिए.
Safe, useful, classic. If you are traveling alone, say.
एक सिंगल रूम, कृपया.
If there are 2 of you, say.
एक डबल कमरा, कृपया.
Then the receptionist asks.
कितनी रातों के लिए?
And you answer with the number of nights. Not with your life story. The receptionist does not need to know about your emotional support sandwich. Memory tricks that actually help. You do not need a giant grammar book right now. You just need a few sticky memory hooks. Think of
मेरे पास.
as I have or with me. So
मेरे पास एक आरक्षण हो.
becomes your golden check-in sentence. Think of
कमरा.
as room. It sounds a little like camera, so imagine a camera taking a picture of your hotel room.
मुझे एक कमरा चाहिए.
For one person, raise one finger and say.
एक सिंगल रूम, कृपया.
For 2 people, raise 2 fingers and say.
एक डबल कमरा, कृपया.
For the question.
कितनी रातों के लिए?
Imagine a receptionist holding a calendar and staring at you very politely until you answer. Quick drill time. Now it is your turn. I will give you the English, and you try the Hindi before hearing it. I have a reservation.
मेरे पास एक आरक्षण हो.
I would like a room.
मुझे एक कमरा चाहिए.
A single room, please.
एक सिंगल रूम, कृपया.
A double room, please.
एक डबल कमरा, कृपया.
For how many nights?
कितनी रातों के लिए?
Challenge round. Let's make it a little more real. Answer these in your head or out loud like a confident traveler with excellent luggage decisions. You arrive at a hotel and already booked online. What do you say?
मेरे पास एक आरक्षण हो.
You did not book, but now you need a room. What do you say?
मुझे एक कमरा चाहिए.
You want a room for one person.
एक सिंगल रूम, कृपया.
You want a room for 2 people.
एक डबल कमरा, कृपया.
The receptionist asks about the length of your stay. What do you hear?
कितनी रातों के लिए?
Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just learned hotel Hindi that is actually useful, practical, and far more helpful than knowing how to say dinosaur or spaceship before check-in. Today you practiced.
मेरे पास एक आरक्षण है. मुझे एक कमरा चाहिए. एक सिंगल रूम, कृपया. एक डबल कमरा, कृपया.
And.
कितनी रातों के लिए?
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases a few times today, and next time you check into a hotel, you will sound calm, clear, and wonderfully prepared.